Oh, okay. You ever heard of SB19?
No, what is that?
So that is P-pop legend group SB19. You should check them out.
Okay.
They're a boy band.
Talaga namang nakaka-touch ang ginawa ng Amerikanong ito para sa ating mahalima. Dahil talagang nag-effort siya na magbiyahe, mag-drive para i-promote o ipakilala sa kapwa niya American ang ating mahalima o SB19. Siya din isang reactor, YouTuber ng mga music video ng ating SB19.
2 hours later.
Go ahead and order.
Y'all got any SB19?
What is it?
OPM Superstars SB19. No, it's all good. Let me get a number 10 3-piece.
Alrighty, anything else?
That'll be it.
A name?
Rick.
Alrighty, I'll see you out the window.
All right, thank you. I'm gonna ask him if Stell's working today. Is Stell working today?
Who?
Stell?
Who's that?
Oh no, maybe. Sorry, switch up. How about Josh? Josh? Justin?
Who's Josh?
Pablo? Pablo work here? No?
No.
Oh, okay. You ever heard of SB19?
No, what is that?
So that is P-pop legend group SB19. You should check them out.
Okay.
They're a boy band.
Oh.
Check them out. Check them out. All right.
Got that right out.
All right. Thank you.
Never been sloppy, been a long time, but your boy still Fossy, Boulevard.
Thank you. Check us out. This them. This them. Thank you.
Check them out, talagang sinabi niya sa kapwa Amerikana na check them out ang SB19 at tinawag pa niyang legend ang ating The King of P-pop, o di ba?